The benefits of gardening for mental health and well-being. Gardening has been a popular hobby for centuries, and it is easy to see why. Not only does it provide a way to connect with nature and create a beautiful outdoor space, but it also has numerous benefits for mental health and well-being. In this video, we will explore the ways in which gardening can help improve mental health and well-being. Reduces stress and anxiety. Gardening is a great way to reduce stress and anxiety. Spending time in nature has been shown to have a calming effect on the mind and body, and gardening allows you to be fully present in the moment and focus on the task at hand. The physical activity involved in gardening also helps to release endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Improves mood. Gardening has been shown to improve mood and decrease symptoms of depression. In fact, a study conducted by the University of Bristol found that people who garden regularly have higher levels of self-esteem and a more positive outlook on life. Increases physical activity. Gardening is a form of physical activity, and regular physical activity has been linked to improved mental health and well-being. Gardening provides a low-impact form of exercise that can help improve strength, flexibility, and balance. Provides a sense of purpose. Gardening provides a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Watching plants grow and thrive can be incredibly rewarding, and the act of caring for plants can give you a sense of responsibility and fulfillment. Promotes mindfulness. Gardening can be a form of mindfulness practice. By focusing on the present moment and the task at hand, you can cultivate a sense of mindfulness and relaxation. This can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood, and promote a sense of well-being. Provides social interaction. Gardening can also provide opportunities for social interaction. Joining a community garden or attending garden classes can help you connect with others who share your interests and provide a sense of community and belonging. In conclusion, gardening is not only a fun and rewarding hobby, but it also has numerous benefits for mental health and well-being. Gardening is more than just a hobby or a pastime, it is a form of therapy. Whether you have a spacious yard or just a few pots on a balcony, pick up a trowel, dig in the dirt, and start gardening. From reducing stress and anxiety, to improving mood and providing a sense of purpose, gardening can help you feel happier, healthier, and more fulfilled. So why not give gardening a try and see how it can benefit your mental health and well-being?